Sa likod ng popular pattern na binansagan na pambansang kumot, may iba't ibang kwento at alaala ang bawat Pilipino. Isa na rito ang 24-year-old artist mula sa Kalibo, Aklan na si Jello Zarzuelo, kung saan ipininta niya ang pattern na to para sa kanyang art series. Tinawag niya itong Ginbahawan series na sa Aklanon ay nangangahulugang grew up with. Ayon kay Jello, inspired ang kanyang artwork sa kanyang nanay Annalyn na pumanaw noong 2021.
That reminds me of her, the way she cares for our family. Although my mga paintings ko right now are actually like pink, purple, blue, but I actually grew up with a green blanket. But I feel like it's kind of like self-preservation in a way na I don't wanna paint it. I cannot paint my mother the way she looks talaga kasi I feel like hindi ko kaya. This way in this series, I kind of like honor her without actually like trying to challenge my emotional capacity.
Ginamit ni Jello ang pagpipinta bilang paraan upang mahilom ang sakit sa pagkawala ng kanyang nanay. Naging motivation din kasi ni Jello ang kanyang nanay Annalyn sa pagpapatuloy ng kanyang passion, lalo na't #1 supporter niya raw ang ina.
Ang hirap mag-alala na hindi nangungulila. Siguro ngayon na medyo mas gumagaan na siguro. Kahit naman may mga panahong mabigat, I'm in the part of healing na I wanna honor her through my art. My mother is very supportive of me, not only what I do but who I am. Isa akong bading and never naging issue yun kay nanay.
Bukod sa mga kumot, ipininta rin ni Jello ang kilalang Good Morning Towel bilang tribute sa kanyang ama.
I remember growing up kasi si tatay is naglalako ng Good Morning Towel before. I remember him, tinutupi yung mga Good Morning Towel every morning before siya lumabas. Kung ang Good Morning Towel ay pampapunas ng pawis and pawis represents hard work, I feel like that encapsulates how hardworking my father is.
Matapos niyang ibahagi ang kanyang painting series, maraming nakarelate at na-inspire sa kanyang kwento.
It resonated with a lot of people. That's why I also tell them na I'm still gonna work on this series. I'm actually supposed to painting under this series where I added phrases and words galing sa Hiligaynon. Kasi si nanay ay isang Ilongga at ako ay pinanganak sa Iloilo. Pero dito na ako lumaki sa Aklan. And ang unang lengguaheng natutunan ko ay Hiligaynon. Yung una ko pong nagawa is Palangga, which means my beloved or love. I am also open for commission works. You can contact me at Jello Zarzuelo on Instagram or Jello Zarzuelo on TikTok.